Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to accept Zelle payments in 2025. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just someone splitting bills with friends, Zelle is a super convenient way to get paid quickly and securely. By 2025, Zelle has become even more integrated with banks, making the process smoother than ever. Let's dive right in. First off, what is Zelle? It's a digital payment network that lets you send and receive money directly from your bank account, often in minutes. To start accepting payments, make sure your bank supports Zelle. Most major ones like Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo do by now. If you're not sure, check your bank's app or website. Step 1. Download the Zelle app from your phone's app store or access it through your bank's mobile app. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll need to sign up or link your existing account. This usually involves verifying your email, phone number, and bank details for security. Next, set up your profile. Add a profile picture and ensure your contact info is accurate because that's how people will send you money. Now, to accept a payment, simply share your enrolled email address or phone number with the sender. They'll initiate the transfer through their Zelle app. When you receive a payment, you'll get a notification on your phone. Open the app to review and accept it. It's that easy. Remember, for 2025, Zelle has enhanced security features like biometric verification, so always confirm transactions to protect yourself from scams. One quick tip. Keep an eye on any fees. While Zelle is mostly free for bank-to-bank transfers, some institutions might charge for certain uses. And if you're running a business, consider integrating Zelle with your payment systems for a seamless experience. There you have it. Accepting Zelle payments in 2025 is simple and efficient. Give it a try and make your transactions hassle-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.